Yo, I think I'm live. The thing is saying that I'm live. I hope I'm live. I hope the mic is turned on. Yes, part 3, boys. Here we go. I hope I'm audible. Let me check. Dun, 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 dun. Let me check if you can hear me. You should be able to hear me. But let me know if the chat. Hi, Adria. Let me know in the chat if you can't hear me actually. So we are back for part 3 of Pokemon. Or Pokemon, I don't know. Some people say Pokemon, I don't know why they say that. So to recap, last episode I tried to wrap it up in 1 hour, but I clearly didn't do that. But in the end, we could beat Rosboro's gym leader Roxanne, who's a rock specialist. Yeah, rock specialist. And Diavolo evolved from a Mudkip to a Swamper, no, to a Marshtomp. Yeah, Marshtomp. So, what are we gonna do today? Oh yeah, I'm not gonna talk about politics today. I'm tired of that shit. I'm tired of that shit. I'm just gonna try and focus on this game because I love it so much and I'm not spending enough time on it. And even today I was speaking to my friend Adrien and he was telling me that I got him to start playing Pokemon Sapphire. And I'm like, I'm so glad if I can corrupt people. But guys, really, since you're home, you don't have anything to do right now. Literally, you're stuck there. I would really advise for you all to start playing any Pokemon game. My favorite is Pokemon Emerald, but I would say go with anything. Maybe don't go with Red because it's pretty old and it didn't age well. Even Emerald didn't age that well because like there's a lot of things I wish I could do, but I can't. But it's fine. So let's go. And yesterday when I left the gym, actually, once I beat Roxanne, once I beat Roxanne, there were guys coming out of this building. What is this building? Devon Corporation. Devon, I don't know. There were dudes running out of it. For all your living needs, we make it all. Cool. That's like big. We make everything we need. Let's go. Oh, this man wants to talk. Oh, it's you. You're that fantastic trainer who helped me in Petalburg Woods. Oh, that's that dude who was scared of a Puchiena. Help me, I was robbed by Team Aqua. I have to get the Devon goods back. If I don't, I'm going to be in serious trouble. I love it, Mike. So can you hear me or can't you hear me? Should be totally on. Put mic closer. Well, I would have to get closer to the mic, which is not really possible. So I'm gonna try to talk louder because it seemed like it was fine last time. I don't know what happened this time around. I should get some Pokeballs first because I think I finished everything on Zigzagoons and stuff. The party is full. Sorry, I'm trying to move Pokemon. Or volume higher. But the volume is... Can we go higher? This is mute. I think the volume is max. The volume is at max. Yeah, it should be at max. You know, for the time being, as soon as confinement is over, I promise I'm gonna buy a mic and a webcam. Because at the moment I'm using my DSLR and it's a fucking problem to connect that to the PC because Nikon is not recognized by OBS. So fuck that. But yeah, sorry. I tried to move. I don't need a Wurmple. Should I give a slack off though? I want to keep these. Well, I don't need Lutad since I got the three starters completely magically. So I'm gonna get the slack off because let's see if it becomes a good Pokemon. Okay. Dun, 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 dun. Okay. Sorry, I was just fixing the live on the other side. There we go. Okay. Promise no interruption. I'll try at least. So wait, that's not a way. So yeah, this dude lost goods. He didn't lose goods. I wanted to buy Pokeballs. I have a terrible memory. Wow, my memory is so bad. It's so bad. Oh, there was something you told me to do the other day. One of you told me to do because I think there was like close to 1 minute delay between you. See, I said no interruption, and here I go. I'm gonna switch to ultra low latency and see, and actually see. Would you change YouTube? Actually see if like I can get your chat sooner, because it's really problematic to have like 1 minute lag. Did it do it? Can I actually do it? I'm gonna... Oh, fuck it. So, let's go. Oh my god, once again I forgot that I had to get Pokeballs. My memory is terrible. Welcome, how may I serve you? I'd like to buy balls, lady. So I'm gonna get 10, just so I can get that premier ball. I want that premier ball. I think it should be good. One thing I hate that in that genre. Oh no, I should act as if I never played it, right? And I never played the Pokemon game. So I'm not gonna complain about quality of life additions in newer games. I'm just gonna go through this. You got challenged by a tail. Might as well catch it. Let's pound that bitch. Not too bad. Let's repound that bitch. Should be good enough to capture. While Taylor is getting pumped. I'm just trying to not read anything into it. Just getting pumped for the better. Oh my. He's back. Ooh. 10 HP. Yeah, I think Gross type is weak against flying. I think. I don't remember. Pokemon is indeed the most intricate game of rock, paper, scissors. Like, everything can be beaten by something else, but like, I won't waste my time on learning that. I got one repel. That's good. Let's put it with a repel. I think around here we can get a pretty nice Pokemon, but it's pretty hard to catch. This is not a Pokemon I meant, clearly. Oh my god, no, I forgot. I'm not like grinding on stream. I'm gonna do that in between episodes because it's gonna be last time. No, not last time. Was in the first episode or the second? I think the first. I have such terrible memory. By the way, sorry. Yesterday I didn't stream. I'm saying sorry for not. My bug Pokemon are Toughness Battle. So yesterday I didn't stream because I got a headache. Yes, I've seen the chat, boys. I'm done for. But yesterday I had a headache, so I logically didn't stream. So excuse me for thinking about my health. I think it's because I didn't drink a lot of water. Like, I'm not forced to starve myself to death, but it's like I'm like putting myself in food quarantine. Like, Oh my god, Wimple? Yeah. Yeah, but there's no way I'm gonna stay in that fight, so... Ninkada. It's time for Dio to get some experience. Dun, 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 dun. No! Why did I use focus energy? I should stop, like, beating the A button. Leech life. Yeah, that did great, didn't it, Ninkada? Super effective. Ninkada fainted. 111 experience, that's not bad. We bug. Yes, you fought. Cool. I'm gonna switch because Garth is a bit low on HP. No, I'm gonna fight everyone. I'm gonna lie, I'm gonna fight everyone. I'll get all the XP I can get. Youngster Joey send out matchup. Dun 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 dun. Well, actually, I feel the headache coming back. F's in the chat. I am done for. Wow, this matchup doesn't want to attack. That's great. $169 XP. Nice. This is a weird patch. Nope. By the way, I hurt my finger today. Let me rephrase that. I hurt myself today. No, it's not hurting myself. Oh my god, I shouldn't have used that. Cause, oh good. Good, that missed. Shroomish has got, how do you call that? These like traits we got. I forgot what that was called, but it's got something that if you use a physical attack on it, you're gonna get paralyzed. That kind of sucks. Oh, you lost. That's so sad. So yeah, I recorded something today that I'm gonna post tomorrow. Also tomorrow I'm gonna post record that Q&A. So look up for one video tomorrow and another one on Saturday. I've been posting a lot during this time of confinement. You're welcome, bitches. Time goes by. I'm making sure you don't have to leave your place. Yes, why I'm not eating. Thank you, Adrien, for reminding me that I didn't even finish that story. My memory is so bad. I forget stuff within like seconds. That's not really a story of me not eating. There's that. Oh yeah, why I got that headache? Yes. Terrible memory. Oh my god. I need to take like Memogen, you know that stuff? So I think I wasn't eating a lot. I don't have any reason to not eat a lot, but I wasn't eating a lot because like the stuff that there is at home, of course that's food. I'm not gonna spit on it. It's just that like I like to have food from outside. I had so much food from inside. I'm tired of that. I really appreciate like KFC right now. I really, you know, like smokers say that I'm gonna stop smoking every week. I'm stopping KFC every like 3 months. I don't know if I can really get over this. I'm hooked, man. I'm hooked. Wow, that's not a lot. So yeah, to finish that story, I was just... Fire won't work. No, why did you... Yeah, I should get some cuddling oil. What I'm gonna do... No, there's nothing... Wow, I get confused. So bad, so fast. Wow. Tackle a bitch. I get distracted actually, not confused. Confusion is for Pokemons. Pokemons. I don't know why people call it like gasp. Gasp, losing made me tired. You're a hiker! That was fun even though I lost. Oh shit. We'll rock you hard. Well, I guess this dude works for Pornhub. Did you say Pornhub is doing what the government, the US government isn't doing? Making people stay home. Pornhub. Fantastic. Also in the chat, could you confirm something? If Pornhub actually has an app. I'd like to... I'd be scared to confirm that. So somebody just let me know if you got an app. I'm not saying that I'm looking for it. I'm just saying that it would make it practical. For Geodudes. There was that meme that I shared on my Instagram story. It was so funny. Well, actually, I'm a JoJo whore, so like I would post anything JoJo related. But like there was this thing, Pornhub makes Pornhub is free in Italy, and then you have a picture of me, which is Giorno from JoJo's Bizarre Adventure Part 5, saying Buongiorno. High quality. I touch my lips. I'm dying so many ways. I was doing a tunnel without any tools when some good ordered me out. Mate, he has an app, just check on your Play Store. Are you sure on the Play Store we would allow for Pornhub to have an app? I'm gonna check. A tunnel is filled with Pokemon that react badly to loud noises. You could cause an uproar. That's why we stopped using heavy equipment for tunneling. I'm worried that Goon will do something stupid and startle the Pokemon into an uproar. I'm gonna type in Pokemon. Pornhub. There isn't. However, there's VPN Hub and Video Downloader X Downloader, Browser Hub. There isn't. Although when you like scroll down, you get this weird anime thing. I'd rather not show that to you. Mr. Thingy. Oh, what am I to do? We went on a walk, Pico and I, when we were jumped by an odd thug. The scoundrel made off with my darling Pico. Row, Pico. Row, is that the sound you make when you're sad? It's pretty odd. Ooh. Let's see what we can get. That's not too bad. Like I said, I'm gonna try and catch as many Pokemon as I can. There's no real point doing that, but you know, because you can't catch every Pokemon in this game unless you use a cheat. You really can't. Emerald made sure of it. Like, even if you trade there, I don't remember where I saw that, but like, you can't. You can't. There's some Pokemon that really you can't get unless you cheat. It's now the time to escape. Wishmer, I guess? Whismer? How would you say that? Wishmer, whatever. I was saying something just before that, but of course. Oh yeah, but I'm gonna try and catch as many Pokemon as possible, because the game slogan is that, gotta catch them all. Why not? Please! Oof! It was placed in box 1. Good. See, the Pokeball I'm glad to get. I just did some research. Quora has the app downloads and has an API through their website. Ah! Thanks for your research, Adrien. That's for research purposes, of course. Let's go and... What are you coming? What are you coming? Come and get some, then. You say that and then you... Step back. Grab, kill all, eat all, okay? But her stage Pokemon turned out to be worthless. And to think I made a getaway in this tunnel to nowhere. Heh! You, so you want to battle? Da 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 Team Aqua Grunt would like to battle. Team Aqua Grunts are now Pucci, you know. Go Dio. I'm gonna roast this bitch. Dio's accuracy fell. I wish that at some point, like, the evil team in Pokemon games would stop using, like, the random, not random, but the default, like, first three Pokemon you see. Like Spearow, Rattata. Could they stop? This is playing alright. The boss told me this would be a slick and easy job to pull. All I had to do was steal some package from Devon. You want it back that badly? Take it. Obtain the Devon goods. Let's put away the Devon goods in the key items pocket. Oh, the old man is here. Pico, oh my god, to see you're safe. Pico owes her life to you. They call me Mr. Briny. And you are? I am Ads. And, so you are Ads. I sincerely thank you. Now, if there's anything that troubles you, don't hesitate to tell me. You can usually find me in my cottage by the senior Petalburg woods. Come, Pico, we should make our way home. P.O. It didn't sound like that at all. That wasn't the sound of a P.O. Let's try and see what's over there. There's a Pokeball. I'm gonna try and inspect that rock too, cause at times rocks do have like something. Oh, you moved. Now roll, that goofy goon hightailed it out of the tunnel. I can go back to digging. Yay! To get to Verdanturf without using this tunnel, you'd have to cross the sea to Dewford, sail onto Slayport, and travel through Moville. That's a long stretch. But the rest of the tunnel there. At first we had a huge work crew boring rock with the latest machinery. We had to stop. It turns out that we would have had a negative effect on wild Pokemon in the area. So we've got nothing to do but lol around here doing nothing. Oh, you mean straight white man doing straight white man stuff. There's a man digging his way to Verdanturf all by his lonesome. He's desperate to get through. He said that if he digs little by little by using machines, he won't disturb Pokemon and he'll avoid harming the natural environment. It's quite commendable. I wonder if he had made it through yet. I'll try and check on that later, I guess. This is an odd looking tree. This tree looks like it can be cut down. Oh, another one of these. But I don't have anything to cut it down. Hashtag sad. Ninkada. I didn't catch you before, okay. I'm gonna try now. Crush that bitch. Okay. I do that to get like 1 HP. Yeah, 1 HP. Literally. Can we try? Let's try. I'm gonna mash B. Just to make sure. So let's see what we can accomplish within 1 hour. Okay. It's already been 23 minutes. Played Days Gone today and I got scared. And will maybe never play it again. Well, Days Gone is not that scary. I did buy Days Gone, even the deluxe edition. And sorry, I'm not gonna name it Ninkada. And it was fun, but I think I stopped playing pretty fast. Not that I was scared for once. Like, it does get scary if you let the... How do they call the walkers in there? The zombies in there? Walkers? I guess walkers? Runners? I don't know. The horde? This gun is so nice because of that horde thingy. Like, you know, I don't know if you watch The Walking Dead. I was watching The Walking Dead. Let me talk to this dude first. Oh, how did it go? Were they even goods? You did. You got them back. I think he wanted to say you did it. You really are a great trainer. I know as my thanks I'll give you another great ball. Obtain the great ball. Put it away in the Pokeball's pocket. Excuse me please. Please come with me. Okay. This is the Devon Corporation 3rd floor. Our president's office is on this floor. Anyway, I can't tell you how much I'm grateful for what you've done. By the way, that parcel you got back for us. Could I get you to deliver that to a shipyard in Slateport? It would be awful if those robbers tried to take it again. So, could I count on you to do that for me? Pussy, you're just trying to get me to do your job for you. Yes, Freakers, that's their name. Freakers, when they do that horde thing, that's nice. I didn't really meet a lot of goals. I think I just got bored because it was too much of an open world thing, and like I love PlayStation exclusives, but like they're all except for God of War, open world stuff, and I was a bit tired. I'll have to give it a try. Maybe I'll do before confinement is over. Maybe not the perfect game to play during confinement. Oh, that's right. Could you wait here a second? Okay. Get me to do your job. You asked me to wait, make me waste my time. Like every girl I ever dated. Our president would like to have a word with you. Please come with me. I don't remember stuff you told me like 30 minutes ago, but I remember every song in this game. Please go ahead. Okay. I'm Mr. Stone, the president of the Devon Corporation. I'm saying Devon and Devon all the time. I just got word about you. You save our staff not just once but twice. I have a favor to ask for an amazing person like you. I understand why you're delivering a package to Slay's Port shipyard. Have that dude pass on the information real quick. Well, on the way, could you go stop off in Dewford Town? I was hoping that you'd deliver a letter to Stephen in Dewford. Obtain the letter. Put away the letter in key items pocket. Mr. Stone, now you should know that I'm a great president. That oddly sounds like Trump, but... So I'd never be so cheap as to ask a favor for nothing in return. That's why I want you to have this. Receive a Pokénav. It's a smart device. It's a Pokémon navigator, Pokénav for short. It's an indispensable tool for any trainer on an adventure. It has a map of the Owen region. You can check the location of Dewford and Slayport easily. By the way, I heard that sinister criminals Magma and Aqua, I believe, have been making trouble far and wide. I think it would be best if you rested up before you go on your way. Free Hill. I'll take it. Mr. Stone. Well then, ads. Go without caution and care. Jesus fuck, I can't read English. Postpaid kid. Oh wow, that's a Pokénav. It came about as a result of our president's desire to learn about the feelings of Pokémon. Would you like me to describe its features in detail? No, I think you'll find out just by trying the Pokénav out. Yeah, I'd rather discover stuff. I'm developing new kinds of Pokeballs, but I haven't made much headway. English, do you speak it, motherfucker? We're developing a device for talking with Pokemon, but we haven't had much success. Aww. I'm trying to develop a device that visually reproduces the dreams of Pokemon, but it's not going well. Well, now what shall I work on developing next? Our company allows us to make our inspirations into reality. One couldn't ask for a better environment as an engineer. That's like real life, not real life, Pokemon Live Google. I've been trying to develop a device that resurrects Pokemon from fossils, and it's working. Right, great. If I find one, I'm gonna come directly to you. Hi there, you're always welcome here. That's all you got to say. Hi there, you're always welcome here. Hello and welcome to the Devon Corporation. We're proud producers of items and medicine that enhance your life. It sounds like they recovered the ripped off Devon goods. I'd like to know what these Devon goods were. How can they be that important? I've been developing an added feature for the Pokénav, and it turned out great. Ads, may I see that Pokénav, the one our president gave you? There you go, ads. I added a new feature named Match Call to your Pokénav. Using the Match Call feature, you can chat with people who have been registered in your Pokénav. Ads, our president Stone should be registered in your Pokénav. Test out. Please give our president a call. I actually have to do it. Devon Prez. Mr. Stone. Oh, since you called me, the Pokénav must be working properly. Other people will be registered, so try calling them up too. Good. You seem to be quite happy. How could I know that? It's because I'm looking down at you from my office window. Grip. Haha, see you again. That's a nice little addition. I can booty call May with that. Okay, I'd better get back to work. Please take care, ads. No, I didn't say what I just did. Absolutely not. Okay, so let's go now to... talking about booty call. May. Oh, hi, ads. You had a Match Call feature put on your Pokénav. Let's register each other so we can contact one another anytime. Registered May in the Pokénav. As wifey. Oh, by the way, I passed Mr. Brini in Petalburg Woods. I guess he's on his way home to his cottage by the sea. How's your Pokédex coming along? Ads, mine is looking pretty decent. So how about a little battle? Let's try. I just became a trainer, ads. I'm not going to lose. He actually refused this battle. since you have the option to say no. Pokemon Trainer May would like to battle. Send out Torkoal. Oh shit, I hope. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, I could directly switch to my Swampert, but. Okay, Curse is not what I thought it was gonna do. Make him even without her Pokemon. Yeah, she did. She used Torkoal, didn't she? Let me go for my Diavolo. For Torkoal, use Smog. I think it poisons me. Yes, it does. It's not very effective. Water gun. Let's soak that bitch. That's super effective. Okay. Super effective, but didn't kill it. Use Curse again. What does it do? Like raise defense? Speed fell. Attack rose. Defense rose. That's why you survived. You sneaky little. Super effective. Faded. Diogen. Diogutru. Dio is close to evolving. That's good. Pokemon Trainer is about to send Mudkip. I'm gonna switch for Chaos. Do I have a cross type move? I think I've got Absorb. Yes, I do. Oh my god, that's... Okay, it's level 15, so maybe that's why. Yeah, it's not gonna do much, is it? Ah, it did 4 damage, bro. Super effective, but not gonna kill it so soon, is it? Water gun. Again and again. Wow. You get the sound of a super effective, but it's not doing that much. Dio as in JoJo Adventure. Yes, Suhail. I'm naming my Pokemon, well, the starters. The 3 starters are Course for my Trico, Diavolo for my Mudkip, which is now a Marshtomp, and Dio for my Trico. No, Trico, sorry, I said that again. Memory bad, for my Torchic. That was close. As you can notice, I'm a big fan of JoJo's Bizarre Adventure. Ads got 900 Pokédollars for winning. Oh, by the way, Mr. Brini, who I just passed. Ads, you just moved here, so you might not know this, but Mr. Brini was once a revered seafarer. Cool. That's it? That's all you got to tell me? Okay. Don't even have to heal, I didn't take that much damage. Oh, these are growing along nicely. It'd be great to have something like a bike right now, right? Wait, let me take a look at these two. Yeah, it's fine. Should be like 1 day or something. Ominous trees. Ooh. Well, it's not growing taller. Yeah, it's not yet. I should have watered it. Fine, doesn't matter. Roller. What are you doing? You're an old man fighting a Pico. Not a Pico, a Wingull. Hold on, lass. Wait up, Pico. Your ads. You saved my darling Pico. We owe you so much. What's that? You want to sail with me? You have a letter bound for Dewford. And a package for Sladepool, then. Quite a busy life you must lead. But certainly, what you're asking is no problem at all. You've come to the right man. Let's set sail for Dewford. Let's do just that. Dewford it is then. Anchors away. Pico, we're setting sail. Setting sail. My darling. I can't shame him for calling his bird Pokemon darling, since like we human beings call our pet more than that. I'm getting a call. Could that be beep? Dad? Oh, my dad already got my number. Oh, ads. Where are you now? Sounds windy wherever you are. I just heard from Devon's Mr. Stone about your Pokémon, so I decided to give you a call. So nice of you, Dad. Sounds like you're doing fine, so that's fine with me. You take care now. A Pokemon game where you actually have a dad. Wow. From your post, Adrien, I am waiting for you to strip on cam. So as soon as I'm gonna get a $200 donation, I'm gonna take off the top, and each feet is gonna be like $10, $10 per feet per foot. Okay, that's spend too much time on the internet, clearly. Here we are in Dewford. Mr. Bruni, ahoy with Hitland in Dewford. I suppose you have to deliver that letter to... Who was it now? Steven? Yes, but there's a Pokemon Center. So let's go to the Pokemon Center. Hello and welcome to the Pokemon Center. Restore your type Pokemon to full health. Would you like to rest your Pokemon? Of course I would do, lovely lady. Why am I reading what she's saying? Everybody knows what they're all saying, the nurses. Nurse Joy. I don't know if they call Nurse Joy in the Freaky Daddy area. That's what they call me. Who? I wouldn't know, but that's what they call me. Let me deposit. There's no Pokemon that I don't have a use for right now. Pokémon? I need a Pokemon that can use Flash. Pokémon can't do that. But Nincada can. As if I want to take out a Nincada. Nincada can, right? I guess. You're pricey. You'll be asking for KFC instead of money. I should be asking for KFC instead of money, but like, nobody can go out. But Juice is still working, so juice me, fam. There's the gym. This is a renowned fishing spot. Are you getting the itch to fish? Fish. I hear you and I like what you're saying. I'll give you one of my fishing rods. That's nice. I'm gonna use that because I'll need it to catch water Pokemon. And as an added bonus, I'll even throw in a little fishing advice. First, you want to face the water, then use the rod. Focus your mind. If you get a bite, pull on the rod. Wow, weirdest boner ever. Sometimes you can snag something immediately, but with bigger catchers, you need to time the pulls on your rod. But boner is just getting... Why is... Oh, I think because you wrote As, Suhail, it's asking me if I want to review your comment. Steven is not a pain in the ass. I'm pretty sure you just didn't bother to get the Flash HM, right? That's why. I don't even remember where you get the Flash HM. There's a lot to be said for living on a small island and having harmony with Pokemon and the family. I guess there is. I live a major port of Slateport City when I married my husband here. Life goes by slowly on Visitor Island, but being surrounded by the beautiful sea, that's happiness too. Oh, that's quite nice. Yes, well, I'm about to use my rod. My Poke Rod. Do you tiny island community? If something gets trendy here, everyone picks up on it right away. Let's go here. Gorge your eyes on this. It's a silk scarf. It's right at the cutting edge of fashion, yeah? Oh, I can see your eyes twinkling. You appreciate my dazzling style. Oh, you're a delight. Here you go. I want you to have it. That's so nice of you. A stranger just gave me a scarf. Wow, you bothered to cross the sea to visit Dewford? Did you maybe come here because you heard about Broly? He's so cool, everyone idolizes him. Let's go and see Broly. Well, let me just visit a bit more from the town and then we'll go and see Broly. This is Dewford Hall, everyone's information exchange. Oh, the gossip office. I like what's hip, happening and trendy. I'm always checking it out. So you're an influencer. Listen, have you heard about this new Best Comics? That's right, of course you know. I mean, shish, Best Comics is the hottest thing in cool. Hottest thing in cool. Wow. Wherever you're from, Best Comics is the biggest happening thing, right? Can't lie to you, I don't like influencers. Huh? It's not a hip and happening thing? Well, hey, you have to tell me what's new and what's in. Can I type in coronavirus? What is hip and it's gonna be Mudkip because by some people I stole it. Mudkip? Come on. What the fuck am I gonna write? Go easy, go if I lose. Invincible. Leader, legion, lose, loss. No match, pull, reject, rule. Trump card. No. Must keep when I win, whatever that means. Must keep when I win. Yeah, that's right. Yeah, I knew that. Knew it all along. Oh my god, Pokemon Emerald made a satire of like these basic bitches who just follow trends. Oh my god, that game was so much more ahead of its time that we give it credit for. Of course, I know about that. Must keep when I win, right? Haha, right? We all know. Yeah, that's it. It's here. It's there. There's a Mudkip when I win. The coolest or what? Is the hippest thing in hip. You think I not know about it? Best comic, it's like so 5 minutes ago. Now Mudkip when I win. This conversation is dragging on, and it's a perfect example of influencers. This game is genius just for having that. That game came out in 2004. Think about it. Now Mudkip when I win is vital and in tune with the times. Influencers should die. What's in vogue? Why it has to be Mudkip when I win? Oh, it was by force. Can't imagine what life would be like without Mudkip when I win. I'm not gonna talk to all of you if you're gonna have to say that. Jesus. But where do I get flash? I'm not saying flash like, you know, when you like, what? Don't have anything underneath and you just open it. Yeah, I'm not gonna... Hey, how's it going, champion? No, how's it going? Champion bound ads. Due for gym leader Broly commands fighting type Pokemon. Going against him with normal type Pokemon is asking for trouble. Fighting Pokemon will lay serious smackdown on normal Pokemon. So be careful. What's worse with the gym is as dark as the ocean floor, but it will get brighter after defeating trainers in your way. Hey, okay, go for it. This is my hype man just here. Okay, that's a dead end. Don't you dare brush me off. It's not my fault if I cry. If you cry, okay, I was scared. It's not my fault if I cry, okay. I was just odd. Battle Girl Laura would like to battle, I guess. And send out Meditate. Oh, I don't have this hard counter for this type. Oh my god, detect. So when you use detect, she can read the move I'm gonna use. And just not take it. Now it's gonna use bite, so I better kill it first. It's storing energy. Okay, it's gonna hit hard because I'm gonna get it twice and it's gonna hit hard. Please hit faster. Nope. I didn't go faster. My. Wow. That was not expected. Laura is levitating. Absolute mad lad, like. I think protect yourself from quick attack. It should hit first. And now it's gonna spam quick attack just so it doesn't die. Can bring you so far. You killed my Dio. Jotaro. It's unforgivable. Laura is not levitating actually. She's doing that Matrix Kung Fu kick and staying in the air for like the longest time. I'm just gonna go real quick and revive my Dio. You know what Pucci did? Try to do that at least. Revive Dio. Part 6. Spoilers. For today, I guess we're just gonna beat Broly. Hopefully, I'm not gonna do like the other day and waste like 1 hour and 15 minutes and still not be able to beat. Remember what I did? I went to Roxanne and she beat me with just the nose pass. Like, I didn't expect that. So I hope I can beat Broly. And then we go and find Steven. Hopefully. But I'm gonna defeat every trainer in this gym first. Okay, if I can find my way around, I will. Yes. Get Dio senpai. Oh, are you stumbling around in the dark? I'll show you the gumption of a sailing man. What is a gumption? Is that something like a bulge? Battle Girl Lilith, and Sailor Brendan want to battle. Battle Girl Lilith and our Meditate. Sailor Brendan and our match up. I'm gonna use, well, it's not like something is super effective on them. Match shot. And the speed fell, that's good. Oh, that bite again. I'm not letting you win this time with this. I'm not fainting any of my Pokemon with that. Jesus! The character chop was heavy. Diavolo used Mud Shot. Matchup fainted. Dio gained. Diavolo gained. Diavolo leveled up. I have no clue. That's why, Adrien, I have to beat everyone, because my memory is so bad. If I don't light up the place, I won't be able to just walk there. If I leave a gym, every time I'm gonna leave a gym, I'm gonna forget where I went through. You just saw that a minute ago. How did this happen? It's not like me to lose this way. Says every loser. Dio can still go on. If you mean to pass, it has to be through me. It's gonna be through you, bro. It's gonna be through you. Black Belt Christian, without an H, would like to battle. Black Belt Christian, send out Makohita. Fed up of Dio? Why would you be fed up of Dio? Dio is one of the best anime antagonists. Not even anime, not just anime, like one of the best villains ever written. Because actually, JoJo's Bizarre Adventure is not about Jonathan or any JoJo. It's about Dio. That's why. Oof, I think Dio is gonna pause again. But Fat Lord is gonna kill it. Yes. I think Dio will never evolve. Of course, finish this. The ultimate line form. There's something in my eye, but I can't touch it. Quick attack. There I was. Please don't kill me. Wow, I'm gonna lose 2 Pokemon to a Makuhita. Hey, and please use a like Sun attack or something. Yes. Thanks for throwing me this bone. Ding, ding. What's with Dio? My Dio is pretty weak. It's weird because my original starter that I got through totally legit way. Nope. We're gonna revive Dio again. Let me find his bone. I still haven't completed part 6 actually. Stone Ocean. But with Corona, I don't think we're gonna see the end of Stone Ocean. Not the end, the animation of Stone Ocean so soon. So. Okay, I think now I can beat the gym. Hopefully. We have to see you again. Yeah, as soon as we are out of quarantine, well, I'm gonna get a webcam and a mic and maybe also a capture card and Elgato one. But I don't think that Elgato one's in Mauritius, but there's the Razer one at 101. That one I know. So I'm gonna get that and I'm gonna maybe even start recording from a PS4. Thing is, from a PS4 I've got Underworld, but I could actually start like I could maybe start doing some gameplay, but I don't want to transform into a gaming channel. I'll just do that now so we can pause time. There's nothing except Corona in this world at the moment, Adrien. And I'm tired too, I get it. I really get it. Dio will evolve. Good. Trying to learn Peck. But Dio can learn more than 4 moves. Deleting moves to make room for Peck. Peck is 35. Attack with the foe with its jabbing. It's just a flying type, but it's not a... Okay, I'm gonna replace Growl, I guess. Yeah, yeah, we really have to... I don't know, man. Tomorrow... I don't want to talk about Corona. Never mind. Should have been zombie pandemic. Well... Didun. Da, 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 da. 10 more minutes. I can beat this gym. I don't think we'll get to go and see Steven, but I'm gonna beat the gym. I'm saying that as if I'm sure I will. Da, da, da. Da, 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 da. Oh my dumbass, I forgot that I could. Oh, I forgot something I should have picked in Dew Food. Now I'm getting double kick, but double kick is... Oh, but it's 2 hits, so... Scratch is... Bye-bye. Bye, Scratch. For once, and this is the first time in the first playthrough of mine, where I will try at least to not have 4 attack moves on a Pokemon. Because that's not helpful. You should have something that powers you up. Like, for example, I'm gonna... If I get a Pokemon that can learn Sword Dance, I'm gonna have to get it. Because it's Sword Dance. There's no need for Broly to be involved. I crush you. Wow, that was intense. Jesus. Is Broly like a mafia boss? My man. Why do you have to be that rough? Yeah, now we're doing good damage. Please don't raise your defense. Okay, attack is fine. Good. You're dead. You're dead. Dio gain. Battle Girl Jocelyn. Levitating Girl Jocelyn. 312 Poké Dollars for winning. That's not too bad. Nothing as a pandemic is nice. Let's go now. Should I go direct with Dio or switch for Diavolo? Cause needs to evolve too, but I'm pretty sure he's gonna get taken out directly. So I'm gonna go with Dio. Since he's fire fighting type, he might be able to take in the hits. I've been churning the rough waves of his paws and I've grown tough in the pitch black cave. So you wanted to challenge me? Let me see what you're made of. Yeah, he's really intense too. I don't know why they have to be that intense. It looks like Wolverine, doesn't he? Little Broly would like to battle. Little Broly, a matchup. Go Dio. Oh, I should have used Peck. Right? Bulk up. Jesus, he's gonna become stronger. Even the defense rose. Peck. Gives us super effective, but it wasn't that much more than Ember, was it? No. Oof. Dead. Yes. Scratching my nose. Really? Meditite. And I'm gonna switch for Diavolo, because Diavolo is a bit tankier. No, I should have gone with Metroid. Bulk up. I think Mudshot also makes you lose accuracy. Shit, is it bide? No, that's focus energy, I guess. Hopefully we can hit first. Oh good, speed fell. And it lost its focus. Wow, even with that much shot it's still faster than me. Need a Broly, so now Makuhita. I got to be. I have to look for that. Oh, Jesus, and you had to do that one. I think that seismic dust actually hits harder if you are heavier. But I have to check. Yeah, I think that's what you get. You get bulk up as a reward. I'm not really gonna use bulk up, am I? I'm gonna try to not have like a 4 attack offensive move set, but like shit. No. Don't tell me we're gonna do like the other time and everybody's gonna die to the final Pokemon. It's just a Makuhita, not even the evil form. Is fighting weak against Absorb? I don't think so, and he got a lot of health. Nope, that's gonna be rough. Course is gonna take it too. Yes, Course took it too. Don't tell me we're gonna lose. Look, I don't want to grind, and I'm not gonna grind. Whatever happens, happens. Shit, I'm gonna have it back because I only have 25 XP, HP. Okay, better luck next time. I'm not saying ACDC. Yeah, I should switch that A for. Maybe if I could. No, I'm not fast enough. If I could have used that yawn. Shit! F's in the chat, boys. Already my second whiteout in sight. Oh, that level 6 Telo is faster than that level 19 Makuhita. Quite something. Alright. Maybe Ninkada could, if it's got like a poison type move or something. No, it doesn't. Wow, 1 HP. So it's a rest in peace. F's in the chat, boys. It's not very effective, but that killed me yet, didn't it? That is out of usable Pokemon. That's whited out. Big F in the chat. It's fine. Just a little defeat. You learn in defeat, you don't in victory. Actually, you learn in both. So when you tumble, the most important part is to get back up as fast as possible. Hashtag deep. Don't clip that. Leader Broly would like to battle. Oh shit, I should have switched Pokemon. I should have started with Diavolo. I don't remember what's super effective against you, I guess flying. Yeah, that's not bad. Please don't. It's fine, I guess. Okay, that wasn't that fine then. Okay. Oh my god, now you're gonna heal. Shit. If I don't heal now, I'm done. And it's not gonna be enough. Karate chop. Wow. I'm gonna do something very cruel, but I'm gonna have my weak Pokemon come in just so I can heal up. It's not even the second Pokemon, it's only the first one. Jesus. Ooh. No, I should have used a potion, not. No, what did I do? I should stop mashing A. I'm always pressing that button. Heal up, my sweet summer child. I'm gonna try to not get an F again. I'm gonna try real hard. I'm gonna gonna send in Course, because I think Course can finish this battle. Not sure though. Absorb. That didn't do much, did it? Oof. Full match up. It's the energy drain. Karate chop. Ah. First feint of the party. Great. Diavolo, please do me a huge favor. That's one in the bag. If I could have leveled up here, that would have been a big boost. Leader Brawler is now med-tight. I hope I can outspeed it. Yes. Speed fell. Well. Please. Very good. Wait. Light screen will raise your special defense. Shit. Hopefully I can just like flinch, you know. Good. We already paused the hour mark. Great, as usual. Yes, I'm sorry, my sweet prince, but you're just gonna be used so I can heal up. Should have both potions. Okay. And that's death. Super effective. Hit one time. Okay. Taylor, you can actually get a hit in. So just do that, and then you're gonna die. Sorry, but it's for the greater good. Wait, if I use Growl, it's better, because his attack will be lower. Sorry, oh my god. And that's death. Okay, let's try and see what we can do now. Diavolo first. Let's hope that it does something. Not too bad. Press speed falling, but doesn't really matter, does it? Shit. Maybe if I use bite, but like it's a bit risky. Bite is too risky right now. Shit. Now he's gonna use the Oran Berry, and that's not gonna help. Don't die. Okay, I'll take that. I think we're gonna win this one, boys. At least I hope. Yeah, decreasing his speed won't do much at the moment. Don't die. Yes. You die. And now Broly's gonna use a super potion or something. Please, live. Okay. It's fine. It's fine. No issue with that. Hopefully, oh my god, I mashed A again. I never learn. Because I wanted to try and use Ember and try to get it burn. Yeah, definitely that wouldn't do much. Ember. Did even less so. Oh my god, that's another F. F's in the chat, boys. If I can outlive this one shit. Please. How to scared? 3 HP. Yes, Dio is my main man now. I beat you at the end of it all. Wow, whoa, you made a much bigger splash than I expected. You swamped me. Okay, you've got me. Take this gym badge. I've got 1,900 Poké dollars for winning. And may there be light. I can't clap, by the way, I don't know how to. Not clap, snap. Has received a nickel badge from Broly. My brain is not working clearly. A nickel badge makes all Pokemon up to level 30, even those you get in trade, obey without question. And you'll be able to use the HM move Flash outside of battle. If you like, use the technical machine too. Obtain the TM08. As put away the TM08 in the TM and HM's pocket. The TM contains Bulk Up. It's a move that raises both attack and defense stats. GG. GG, guys. Alright, I'm gonna wrap this up. So I'm just gonna walk to the Pokemon Center now. Wow, I was close to losing twice. I already lost to Roxanne one time because I was getting cocky that my water type would like overtake that gym. Now I lost to the fighting type gym too. I hope it doesn't happen for the next gym. So guys, it's been 1 hour and 5 minutes. I don't think I'm ever gonna respect the 1 hour mark again. And but yeah, I will keep on doing live streams. So if you wanna keep hearing me be nerdy on cam, sorry, I didn't. What was I supposed to do? I didn't strip because like nobody met my goal. Like you can cash up me. Juice is still working, duh. But that's all for me for this week. Let me save this as a save state too. What do you do about yes? Not for this week. What was I saying? That's all for me for today. I'll see you tomorrow. I hope you like that live. I hope you still like this series. I'm gonna do it anyway because I just love Pokemon so much. I'm sorry if I've been very easily like sidetracked today, but I think you're used to me being like this. So get ready for one video tomorrow, and after that in the evening the live as usual, and another one on Saturday, and after that a live at night. I'm gonna do the lives even on Saturday and Sundays because we all gotta stay busy, right? Because like we just have to find stuff to do, and we're gonna be here for a long while. That's a sad thing to say, but we're gonna be here for a long while. I'm just hoping you're gonna be safe. Stay home, not much place to go, and keep helping people around you. And what can I say except I'll see you tomorrow, twice. So see ya. Yo.